VB.net, how to split pages from PDF file using VB.net. Step 1. To install the Image Viewer CP Pro SDK ActiveX installer from http://www.viscomsoft.com/products/imageviewer CP Step 2. Create new Visual Basic project, select Windows Forms application. Step 3. The next step is to install Image Viewer CP Pro ActiveX in Toolbox. Select Toolbox, select Components item, right-click mouse button, select Choose Items. Step 4. Select COM Components tab, select Image Viewer CP Pro ActiveX Control, click OK. Step 5. Now you will see the Image Viewer CP Pro ActiveX's icon on Toolbox, drag it to Form. Step 6. Design the UI same as following. Add 2 text boxes, 2 buttons, 2 labels in Open File dialog, 2 instance of Save File dialog to Form. Step 7. When pressing the split button in our sample, it will call pfEditSplit method to split from specific page of PDF file. The page number start from 0. 0 is first page, 1 is second page. Step 8. If you run this project now, you will see black rectangle. In this sample, you do not need display the image. You may set the width and height properties of Image Viewer CP Pro ActiveX to 1 pixel, then the user will not see it. You may download this sample source code from http://www.viscomsoft.com/popular/imageviewer CP Pro/68.html. Thank you for your watching.